अब तक जो होते आए हैं हम लोग, अभी तक वी वर ऑल वन डायमेंशनल पीपल. जो हम काम कर रहे हैं, somebody is good at let us say mathematics, somebody else is very good at managing the human beings. So everyone was single dimensional. I am a marketing person, I am a finance person, I am such and such. So single dimensional people used to be there, whereas I think we will have to create a canvas of being a three-dimensional human beings. That how do you create three-dimensional human beings? They will have all three C's in them. With three C's, I will say one is consciousness. Consciousness is you are aware of yourself, what is happening to you. The second is develop compassion. Compassion in yourself. And then with these two things, creativity will automatically follow you. Let me now explain to you how is consciousness. We have ourselves as a human being, we have 5 touch points in our body. Skin, nose, mouth, eyes, ears. You take input from these places. If you hear something in your ears, it goes inside your one part of the brain. That part of the brain recognizes something has happened, something has been received. Then it passes it on to a second part in the brain. That part of the brain recognizes that, analyzes that, what is it? And then that recognition results into that part of brain, which is consciousness actually, sends some kind of signals outside. And that signal gets converted into a sensation in your body. And if that sensation is good, smooth, soothing sensation, you say, oh, I'm happy now. You're not happy. You are experiencing these soothing sensations inside your body. आप कॉलेज जाते हैं सवेरे, सुबह से प्रोफेसर जाके वहाँ पे चिल्लाती है आपके ऊपर. कोई रास्ते में आपको 3 व्हीलर वाला मिला, उससे झगड़ा हो गया, उसके पास खुला पैसा नहीं था. यू आर लेट इन रीचिंग दिस कॉलेज एंड आपको डांट पड़ती रहती है. आपको दोस्त यार भी कहते क्या यार, यू आर नॉट लुकिंग गुड टुडे. हाँ, you keep taking those intakes in self and you keep storing them inside yourself. When you like something, you start, what happens to you? You start craving for more. When you don't like something, you start hating, you don't want it. You create aversion towards it. So both aversion and your desire to have it more, they both keeps accumulating inside your body in the form of knots. And that results into things that slowly and gradually we all human beings become kind of insensitive to ourselves. And we lose all our consciousness. What's happening to me at this moment? We do not know. Maybe somebody's mind is going somewhere else. Why I came to this DSC show today? I was supposed to go somewhere else, better things to do. You are neither here nor you have gone there. So we lose consciousness.
No signal, no worry. Presenting Z News app with live TV, latest updates and expert opinion. Available on Google Play and App Store. Download it now.